Are you someone doing everything you can but still falling short of your goals and targets? Maybe, just maybe, the problem isn't you. Most people set targets and they strive, work hard towards it, but they end up not reaching there. The problem can be deeper than you ever imagined. It can be the blind spot mirror in your life or in your career. If you want to break through this pattern and you want to identify this blind spot, and be the one who sets the target and achieves them, join our workshop on the power of chakra balancing, astrology, and manifestation of abundance and growth and healing in your life. I'm S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker, and entrepreneur to help you grow and heal through something they do not necessarily understand, but it affects them drastically. We have worked with 1,000+ clients in the past 10 years and helping them to grow and transform their lives. So if you're looking to achieve unobstructed growth, I invite you to join my workshop where you will learn the importance of chakras, the balancing of it, 3 practical steps of cleansing, balancing and enhancing, the significance of astrology, the planet, how it affects your life, the significance of your name and the date of birth in your growth. This is the GPS coordinates. It's already been written, the script is already been written. So we help you to find the root cause hindering your growth and progress. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life.